Ever wondered how to pressure wash without destroying your garden? Start with a wide-angle nozzle and the lowest pressure setting possible. This spreads the water over a larger area, preventing plant damage while still cleaning effectively. Before you start, cover delicate plants with breathable fabric or burlap for protection. And here's the game changer. Always use eco-friendly cleaning solutions that won't harm your greenery if overspray occurs. Keep the wand pointed away from plants and maintain a safe distance of at least 2 feet. Your patio gets clean, your plants stay green. It's that simple.